Hi, Jessica here, your Facebook marketing coach. Now, one of the biggest fears that prevents people from promoting their local business on Facebook is the fear that they'll receive negative feedback or negative comments about themselves or their business. Now, people who actively go out and seek others and pull them down with negative comments are called trolls. Now, I've had quite a few in my day, but it's never going to change. There's always going to be people who pull you and your business down. Now, this isn't a reflection on yourself by all means, and please do not believe that for a second. But we can't change them. But the way we react and deal with the situation, that we can control. So this week's freebie is a swipe file of possible comebacks that you can write back to these so-called trolls, and a couple of tips and advice on how to handle the situation for the future. If you'd like to grab your hands on this freebie and this swipe file, my website is called www.jrmedia.com.au. I'll see you all next week.